Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to edit your Wix website even after it's already published. Whether you want to update text, change images, or tweak your layout, I've got you covered. Stick around because by the end, you'll be able to make updates live in just a few clicks. First, log into your Wix account and head over to my site in the top left corner. Here, you'll see a list of all your websites. Find the one you want to modify and click Select and Edit Site. Next, Wix will redirect you to the editor choice page. Depending on your setup, you might be taken to the classic editor or have the option to choose the advanced editor. Don't worry, both let you make changes easily. You can also go through site actions and click Edit Site to open the editor directly. Once the editor loads, it's time to get creative. You can change text, swap images, adjust layouts, or even add new sections. Wix makes it really intuitive, so editing feels smooth and flexible. After you're happy with your changes, don't forget the most important step. Click Save in the top right corner. This ensures all your edits are stored. Then click Publish, and just like that, your live website is updated with your new changes. And that's it. Editing your Wix website after publishing is that simple. No stress, no complicated steps. Just log in, edit, save, and publish. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have any Wix questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.